Well, you know what they say. The nut don't fall far from the tree. Yep, well, in my case it's true. I've taught Nathan most everything he knows about filmmaking. Lighting, angles, background awareness while shooting, special effects, stop action animation. Yep, you name it, I passed it all along. You know, he used to ask me, how did me and his mom meet? And where did his creativity come from? Hi, I'm Dennis. Hi, I'm Marcia. Wanna get married? Okay. Wanna have a kid? Okay. What are we gonna call him? I know. How about Nathan? Okay. Well, now you know too. But hey, check out some of his stuff on here. I can reach right up there with some of my early stuff. So kids, if there's one thing I can impart on you, it's two things. Make movies and make kids. Because you know what they say, if your parents didn't have kids, chances are you won't either.